Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the favicon not showing on your WIX website. First, log into your WIX account and open the website editor. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left of the screen and click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Favicon. If you don't see a favicon added, click on Upload Favicon to choose the image you want as your website's icon. Make sure the image is square and in PNG, JPG, or .aco format. The recommended size for a favicon is 512 x 512 pixels. After selecting the image, click Save. Now, it's important to publish your website. Go to the top right corner and click Publish to make sure the changes are live. Sometimes, even after publishing, you might not see the favicon immediately. This could be because of cached data in your browser. To fix this, clear your browser's cache. You can do this by going into your browser's settings and looking for the Clear Browsing Data option. Once you clear the cache, reload your website to check if the favicon is showing. If your favicon still isn't appearing, ensure that you're using a custom domain. Favicon display can be affected if you're using a free WIX domain, so having a custom domain helps solve this issue. And that's it. You've now fixed the problem of the favicon not showing on your WIX website. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.